And it's tea time and we're having a picky feast. I've done wraps with smashed avocado, lean bacon, grilled halloumi, we're sharing a Scotch egg, and we've got these sweet chilli chicken skewers. So yeah, that one's mine and that one's John's. And it is brunch time, and today we are having pancakes with bacon and maple syrup. That one's mine and that one's John's. And it's tea time, and tonight we have got fish and chips. This is breaded plaice from Sainsbury's, Aunt Bessie's crinkle cut chips and mushy peas. So that one's John's and that one's mine. And it's tea time, and tonight we've got what I'm calling deconstructed shepherd's pie. So we've got lean lamb mince cooked with red cabbage, red onion and carrots, and then on the side we've got green cabbage and leek, and then mashed potato. That one's mine, that one's John's, and of course we've got gravy. And it's tea time, and tonight we have got minted lamb that has been done in the slow cooker all day, with new potatoes, carrots, onion, peas, Yorkshire puddings. Very yummy winter food. This one's John's, this one's mine, and that's leftovers for John's lunch tomorrow. And it's tea time, and tonight we've got homemade wedges, chicken Kiev, low-fat cheese, and then Heinz baked beans on top. So that one's John's and that one's mine. And it's tea time, and tonight we have got carrot and swede mash, these sausages, which are the Linda McCartney red onion and rosemary sausages, Yorkshire puddings and peas. This one's John's, this one's mine,